Draft Football Fix uses the world's most powerful fantasy football algorithm to help you make informed player selections and maximize potential points for each DraftKings contest. Each week we'll give you a starting squad with a high projected point score using part of the budget. You can then try to increase the projected points by making your own transfers. Here are the squad picks for DraftKings Gameweek 7 contest. Dimitri Payet is expected to be a key player this week. He costs $10,100 and is projected to score 19.1 points in West Ham's home fixture against Middlesbrough. West Ham teammate Michail Antonio is also highly recommended by our algorithm. He's priced at $8,400 and is projected to score 16.9 points. Jose Holebas also makes a team. The Watford defender plays as a wing-back in their 3-5-2 system and also shares set pieces, so expect him to get forward and put in plenty of crosses. He's priced at $4,600 and is projected to score 9.4 points. This 8-man squad is projected to score 77 points, and there's still $5,000 remaining from the $50,000 total budget for you to make improvements. Please note that the squad picks are subject to change due to injuries and other factors that can influence projected points, so be sure to visit draftfootballfix.com to view the most up-to-date picks. If you haven't used Draft Football Fix before, it's very simple. On the right, you'll see your transfer options, where you can select a new player to replace someone in the current squad. Each time you make a transfer, you'll notice that the projected points for your squad will be updated. Once you've built your DraftKings team, head over to the DraftKings website and win some cash. Click the link in the description below to begin building your team.